What's up, humans? My name is Christopher Mars, also known as Martian. I'm a fashion, fine art, and portrait photographer, as well as a model located in Chicago. Today I'm starting this 52-week-long project where I'll pretty much be challenging myself as an artist to come up with a creative photo concept each week and take you guys behind the scenes to see the process. The reason why I'm doing this challenge for myself is because I feel as an artist there are tons and tons and tons of times where I'm feeling either uninspired, I'm not liking what I'm shooting, I'm having tons of self-doubt, and all of that is just like not necessary. It's not necessary at all. So I'm going to do this journey to grow as an artist, to take the next step of evolution and just become the best version of myself. And if you're interested and want to come along for the journey, keep on watching. Oh, but wait, don't forget to click the like and subscribe button so you can be notified each week on when I post. Here we go. So we are at today's shoot location. We are in this open field somewhere. It looks nice. No, scratch. Give me your actor energy.
Giving you my energy.
Yeah, just give this.
Take it. My name is Christopher Mars, and today I'm going to be filming a video tutorial of what it's like to shoot with me behind the scenes.
So we are at today's shoot location. We are in this vast field area, and we are going to be doing a photo shoot that involves lots of butterflies and showing some skin, his skin, and we're just gonna see what happens. This is my model, Darian.
Hi, I'm Darian.
What's your Instagram?
Darian_Dominique_Dion.
That's a lot.
Boom.
Follow him on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram at Christopher Mars or at Mars the Martian. Today I will be shooting with a Canon 5D Mark III with a 24-105 lens. Shout out to Marvin for filming behind the scenes.
Hi.
That's him, that's his hand. Cute. For today's shoot, we are going to be, or my idea for today's shoot involves lots of butterflies, and I'll be just placing the butterflies like all over him and creating this like super, almost like enchanted, moody type image and vibe, and really excited to see what happens.
Let's do this.
Shout out to Duo. This eyelash glue is working really well though.
That's good, So I was worried. I was like, okay.
This is actually the first time I've used eyelash glue. I usually like use tape, double-sided tape, and then I just get pissed when the butterflies fall out.
Though it's bright and sunny, folks, we're freezing our nuts off out here. But that's what we do for art. Freeze our nuts off. Isn't that right, Christopher?
You're freezing your nuts off.
Mm-hmm.
I'm warm.
He's good.
Somewhat. My hands are kind of cold.
Yep.
Okay.
His hands are cramping, but he's good. I'm the
I
one.
know what it's like.
He knows what it's like,
Anything for art, right?
Anything for art.
Anything for the shot.
Mm-hmm. The
Time
underwear.
for the peep show.
Underwear.
Time for the peep show.
I've never been in the park in my underwear before.
Really?
No.
It's kind of liberating.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, I think I just walked all on that spider web. So what I want you to do, you're just gonna sit down. And I kind of just want you to curl up and grab your knees like this and just have your head down.
Okay.
Let's just move the first shot. I'm gonna shoot from behind.
From behind? All right. Where am I sitting? Right here in this
Right
spot?
where you are.
Okay. Here I go. Let's go down slowly.
This light's pretty. This is gorgeous. What are you doing?
Ooh, the itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout.
Okay,
Alright.
so for the next shot, I kind of just want, think like free movements.
Free movements? Okay.
Yeah. So think movements that are like very big with your arms lifting up, showing different sides of your face and stuff like that. Okay? There we go. Love that.
Okay. We giving me the butter eye.
I mean, it's eyelash glue, so it should be fine.
It should be fine. Hopefully it doesn't rip off my real lashes.
It's not on your lashes.
The Lord gave me
Oh my god. Okay. Pull your chin down a little. Yeah, perfect. Good, now just drop the hand. Stunning! Gorgeous. Good. Just catching more like candids. Love, hold that. That's gorgeous. Hold. Holding. Full focus towards me. Good. Hold that. Chin down. Good. And we're done.
And we're done.
Let's get you dressed.
We're getting dressed. Great, folks. This is art for you. The butterflies are free. They're free and flying away. We're ripping off one by one.
That one's gorgeous.
That's
one's
gorgeous.
Like stunning.
I love that.
I love.
Oh.
That one's really pretty.
Oh, look at me. Oh, snap.
Right?
Give it. I do look taller.
Right.
All right.
Angles.
Okay.
Angles.
Licks for days.
This one is one of these. Which one is
Oh,
it?
she is knit.
That one's gorgeous.
Come on,
Oh,
God. That is beautiful.
It's so pretty. I was trying to like play with how close I wanted it
That
to
is
be.
gorgeous.
Worth it?
It was worth it.
Okay.
It was worth it. You know, we got some great shots. I can't wait for you guys to see them because they're going to blow your mind.